Welcome to my YouTube channel, Power of Habits. I'm Baptiste, and today I'm super excited to introduce you the habit tracker I've been working on over the last month. The story behind this is that a while ago I was searching for a habit tracker to implement new habits and monitor it. I couldn't find it on the internet, so I decided to create it. So if you ever struggled to keep track of your habit or simply wanted a tool to monitor and to see your progress, this is the Notion template you need. And guess what? It's available to download in the description from now, and this for free during 1 month. So let's go. Let's see how it works, how to use it, and why it is a powerful tool to implement stronger and long-term habits in order to reach your goals. Let's go. So here we are on the tracker. I wanted to give it a super chill atmosphere and to make as simple as it can get, and also really high aesthetic with this lo-fi Japanese vibe that I really like. By the way, I prefer how it fits with the dark theme, but these are only my preferences. So I'm really happy on the final look of this habit tracker. It embeds three main parts. The first part, you see it, is the database. The database is literally your second brain. It's where you will customize your habits in a first hand, and after you will create new days and log your habits. It will remember everything for you. The second part is your chart. The chart is a powerful visualization tool that will enable you to see how you are performing on the long go. And the last part, but not least, is the performance table. The performance table, on the performance table, you can see your total competition rate, your monthly competition rate, and the breakdown also on the weekdays. So it assesses how you are doing, where you are doing bad, and where you are doing great with precise figures. So finally, I can say that I really kept it simple for you to use in order to go straight to the point and assess how you are performing. Now, let's customize one habit and create a new day. So it's really simple to customize one habit. You just have to click on the habit icon you want to customize, you want to modify. Right now, I will modify the name of the habits. For example, I will take morning run. I will click on the icon to change it and select a running man. So up, I click out of the popping window and my habit is customized. I can do it with all my habits if I want and really make it fit to your ambitions and to the habits you want to implement. And right now, let's create a new day. So as you can see, I created all days prior to today. So I will create today by just writing at today and clicking on today's date. So right now I enter. The day is created. And I will open the side peek window. You will see why. So the side peek window is now open. So I created today, so it's already on today's date. We are the 15th of October. If I click on the date, there will be a calendar. If I created at yesterday or at before yesterday, I would have to choose the 14th of October, and so to modify the date because it automatically sets the date on today's date. This is something you should know if you are late to create your days or to log your days. After, you can check your habits. I did my morning run. I did my 10,000 steps. I'm walking. I didn't go to the gym yet, so I'm reaching a 50% completion rate. So as you can see, the day is automatically linked to the completion rate, to the total completion rate. Let's link it now to the month and the day. So we are in October. I just type October. I click October habits, oops, it's added. And right now we are at Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. I click and Tuesday is added and I can leave this side pick. Everything is created. Everything is done. We did our work for today. Perfect. So as you can see, I can check my different habits. I can see it on the chart. And there will be also the effect on the total, on the monthly, and on weekdays completion rate. By the way, just 10 seconds to tell you that the habit tracker is also perfectly adapted on your phone, on iPhone. I wanted also to make it accessible for smartphones because sometimes we don't have time to go on our laptop. So I wanted to be as efficient as possible for you. So enjoy. So why is this habit tracker really powerful for you in order to implement new habits? Well, it's really simple. Let's go to the chart. And the chart tells you everything you need to know regarding your habits. It tells you where you are bad, where you are good, and most of all, when are you not performing well, and so you will be able to assess precisely your performances regarding your habits. For example, last time I went to travel, I saw that my completion rate literally dropped. What does it mean? It means that I have a lot of friction regarding my habits when I'm traveling, and so that I need to work on this and to reduce this friction when I'm traveling in order to do my habits as usually I should be as performant as in my daily life when I'm traveling. This is a really important point. And so you need, guys, to make your habits context independent. The context dependency is really important. It means if today I'm traveling, I need to make this travel the less impactful as possible on my habits. So I need to be really flexible, and this habit tracker will tell you whether or not you have been flexible enough and determined enough in order to do habits. Because at the end of the day, if you did your habits and you are doing it every day, step by step, you will reach your final goal, or it will help you. If you miss one day of your not performant one day, so for example, if you do 50% on the 15th of September, it's not enough and it will not help you. You will not take the most of or take advantage of the cumulative effects of implementing daily habits and doing it every single day. I can tell you, and this tracker is here to tell you where you failed and where you should go to improve. It's really a tool to assess your performance and something that will be honest with you, that will give you precise figures, precise charts, and help you memorize everything. Thank you. So it's the end of this video. I was really glad to do it. It was Baptiste. Don't forget that the habit tracker is available now and for 1 month for free. This in the description. Don't hesitate to download it and to give me your feedback. It's really important. I gave it all in this tracker, and so I hope it will help you. And have a good day. Goodbye.